Greetings dear clients and valued subscribers. This is Ison company with you. In this video, we will review the Ison AHD70D-RT HD surveillance camera, which features 8 megapixels, a Sony sensor, 25-meter night infrared illumination, and WDR technology. We will discuss this camera in detail. I will tell you everything about its features and capabilities. We will also take a look at a sample recording. Let's start by removing the protective film so it doesn't distract us. The camera is universal, color, and all-weather. It can withstand temperatures down to -60 degrees. It is of very high quality, made of metal, and operates with IP66 protection rating. The operating temperature ranges from +55 to -60 degrees. It is not afraid of precipitation, rain, or snow. It is suitable for any climate. The package contents traditionally include the camera itself, the box, mounting hardware, and all necessary instructions. The camera is universal. It can be mounted both on a wall and on the ceiling. That is, it has a hinge here which can be adjusted in all directions. You can mount it wherever is convenient for you. This is the most advanced camera, equipped with the best latest generation sensor, the best latest generation processor, and the best latest generation night vision. All Ison cameras come with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos.